Deep in a peaceful forest lived 3 bears. A big papa bear, a gentle mama bear, and little baby bear. One morning, Mama Bear made warm porridge for breakfast, but it was too hot to eat. "Let's go for a walk while it cools," said Papa Bear. So the 3 bears walked into the forest. Meanwhile, a little girl named Goldilocks wandered through the woods. She picked flowers, hummed songs, and explored happily. Soon, she spotted a cozy little house. Goldilocks knocked on the door. No one answered. Slowly, she stepped inside. On the table were 3 bowls of porridge. "I'm so hungry," Goldilocks said. She tasted the first bowl. Too hot. She tasted the second bowl. Too cold. Then she tasted the 3rd bowl. This one is just right. And she ate every bite. After eating, Goldilocks noticed 3 chairs near the fireplace. She sat in the first chair. Too hard. She sat in the second chair. Too soft. Then she sat in the little chair. This one is just right. But suddenly, crack! The little chair broke. Goldilocks felt tired, so she climbed upstairs. There she found 3 beds. The first bed was too big. The second bed was too high. But the 3rd bed felt soft and cozy. "This one is just right," she whispered. Within moments, Goldilocks fell fast asleep. Soon, the 3 bears returned home. Papa Bear looked at his porridge. "Someone has tasted my porridge." Mama Bear gasped. "Someone tasted mine too." Then Baby Bear cried, "Someone ate all my porridge." In the living room, Papa Bear said, "Someone sat in my chair." Mama Bear said, "Someone sat in mine too." Then Baby Bear shouted, "And they broke my chair." The 3 bears hurried upstairs. Papa Bear looked at his bed. "Someone slept in my bed." Mama Bear said, "Someone slept in mine too." Then Baby Bear shouted, "And someone slept in my bed too." Gulp. She looked at his face, and she saw a brown furry head. Suddenly, Goldilocks jumped out of bed. She screamed, "Ah!" She ran through the door and down the stairs. She jumped out the window and ran into the rain. She never went back to the Goldilocks and 3 Bears house again. And that's the end of the story.